What do you do when your concrete gets dirty? You clean it with concrete cleaner. Adams Polish's concrete cleaner is a readily biodegradable, heavy-duty cleaning detergent that is utilized for concrete surfaces such as your driveway or your front patio, your back patio, garage floors. Along with working great on porous surfaces such as concrete, it works great on non-porous surfaces such as epoxy flooring. Now, one thing to make sure you have with you when you're going to use Adams Polish's concrete cleaner is a stiff bristled brush. The stiff bristles is really going to help agitate the concrete cleaner on the concrete surface you're working on and clean it very, very effectively. Now, concrete cleaner isn't ultra aggressive, okay? It's not going to deteriorate your concrete or degrade the look of your concrete or epoxy flooring. It is very, very safe and very, very effective at cleaning and getting rid of stains such as oil stains or silicone stains that come from tire shine or undercarriage spray. Now, when you're using concrete cleaner, we highly recommend that you use a pressure washer. It's just gonna help the effectiveness of cleaning. It's gonna help you rinse the concrete cleaner off perfectly. So we always recommend either the Pro Grade pressure washer from Adams Polishes or the Pressure Washer 2.0. Now, let's get into how to use Adams Polish's concrete cleaner. Step 1, you want to wet the surface that you're cleaning, whether it be a driveway or a back patio or your garage flooring. You need to wet the surface first. Now, step 2, you take Adams Polish's concrete cleaner and you're gonna sprinkle it evenly across the wet surface. Step 3, take the broom, the stiff bristle broom or brush that you have with you, and you're going to scrub the concrete cleaner, and you're gonna allow the detergent to really clean effectively on the surface that you're working on. Step 4, rinse, okay? Obviously, we recommend using a pressure washer, preferably an Adams Polish's Pro Grade pressure washer. It's gonna be the most effective, but if you have something like the Adams Polish's Pressure Washer 2.0, that's fine as well. Again, you can use a standard garden hose, but utilizing the pressure from a pressure washer will help break up the dirt and really rinse and clean your concrete thoroughly. Concrete cleaner, you ask? Well, we take pride in our vehicles and what they look like. And if you're like us here at Adams Polishes, you take pride in everything else you own, including your home, your garage, your patio, whatever it may be. Now, concrete cleaner is a tool to keep those areas and your work areas looking great for many, many years to come.